spotless when owner. Gas miser. Looking for a superb deal on an outstanding looking 2010 Scion XB? Well, we've got it. This 2010 Scion XB is a true 5-passenger wagon that doesn't look like a wagon, nor does it look like a Toyota, although it is one, and carries the same high standards of quality, durability and reliability. It is nicely equipped with features such as 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD radio, brake assist, bumpers, body color, CD player, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, fabric upholstery, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front reading lights, front sport bucket seats, front wheel independent,